Hello everyone and welcome to the Quantphilic and to the Quant Finalism as well, series in which we deal with a new concept every day. So today's concept is mixtures and replace. In it we have replacement formula. Okay. So as I say daily, join this to get these PDFs. Let's start them. So today we'll be dealing with replacement formula. So the formula for replacement is basically volume final is equal to volume initial 1 minus quantity replaced divided by total capacity of the vessel to the power number of times the process is done. Okay, so first of all, let me explain it. What is the volume final? This volume final is basically for the liquid in which the replacement is done. Okay, and this is the initial quantity of that particular liquid जिसका replacement हो रहा है. Okay, like we are putting in water and we are taking out this like this. Okay, जिसका replacement मतलब जो बाहर जा रहा है और वो वापस add नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, remember this that like suppose milk and water है, इसमें हम mixture निकाल रहे हैं. ये okay, this is milk and water mixture. From this we are taking out mixture and adding water. ओके सो यहाँ पे वाटर मिल्क ऐड नहीं हो रहा है. सो रिप्लेसमेंट किस पे लगेगा? रिप्लेसमेंट लगेगा मिल्क. सो वॉल्यूम फाइनल मिल्क इज इक्वल टू दिस. ओके क्वेश्चन, स्मॉल क्वेश्चन ऑन इट. अभी अच्छी वाला क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. ये जस्ट टू गेट द जिस्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. So a vessel is full of 80 liters of milk. So पूरा milk है. 8 liter of mixture is taken out and replaced by water. Again 8 liter of mixture is taken out and replaced by water. Find the amount of milk in the final mixture. Okay, so we have to find out milk final. So volume final is equal to volume initial. So initial कितना milk था? You can clearly see 80 था. 80 liter full of milk. So 80 1 minus quantity replaced. कितनी? How much quantity is getting replaced? 8 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced by water. So 8 divided by total capacity of the vessel. So you can clearly see that total capacity, or you can write total capacity जगह total mixture. Okay, anything you can write. Better write mixture. Because sometimes क्या होता है कि 100 लीटर का वेसल होता है, उसमें 80 मिक्सचर ही होता है. ओके, सो इन दैट केस यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज कि 100 लगाएं कि 80 लगाएं. So for that reason, so for that case, instead of total capacity, write total mixture. Okay, so here the total mixture is how much? Full of 80, so 80 liters. Okay, power will be how much? Number of times the process is done. So 8 liter of mixture is taken out, again 8 liter of mixture is taken out. So we can write it square over here. 2 times the process is done. Okay, so final volume, what is the amount of milk in the final mixture? So finally, final volume, okay, milk final volume is equal to 80 into this is how much? This is 1 by 10. 1 by 10, so 9 by 10. Okay, 9 by 10 square. So this will be how much? 80 into 9 by 100. So 9 and 81. Okay, 81. Okay, that's it. 818 86, so 16.8 should be the answer, I guess. Okay, 64, what am I writing? 64.8. Okay, that's it. So this is the question. So I hope this is clear now. This is the question. There is a vessel whose 80% volume is filled with milk and water solution. Okay, so यहीं से data लिखना start कर दो. Okay, 80% volume. So if I suppose that the vessel total capacity is 100x, total capacity is 100x. Okay, 80% is filled. Okay, so इसमें mixture is how much? Mixture is 80x. Is filled with milk and water solution. The concentration of solution is 90%. Okay, so concentration of solution means इसमें milk होगा 90%, that is 72x. Okay, rest will be water. Water will be 8x. Okay, now further, using a steel mug, 1 mug full of solution is withdrawn and replaced by equal quantity of water. After 3 such replacements, the concentration of milk in the following solution becomes 30.87. Okay, what is the ratio of volume of this and this? Okay, so we'll suppose that 1 mug solution is withdrawn. Okay, 1 mug solution. So suppose the like quantity replaced is 1 mug. So 1 mug, suppose it is A. Okay, capacity of mug is suppose at A. So mug I am writing. Okay, now basically volume final is equal to volume initial, the formula I'm writing, minus x, the quantity replaced, upon total mixture to the power n. So final volume, it is given that the concentration of milk in the solution becomes 30.87. Okay, 30.87%. Okay, so basically it was 80, right? It was 80%. So we can write. So 0.3087 into how much is the mixture? 80x. So 80x. Initially milk was how much? It was 72. So 72x. 1 minus quantity replaces how much? It is given now that 1 mug full of solution is withdrawn. And quantity of mug is A, we have supposed. So A divided by what? Total initial mixture, it was how much? 80x. 80x to the power. How many times? After 3 such replacements. So the process is done 3 times. Okay. So this, when you solve, this gets cancelled and you'll be left with 0.343 is equal to 1 minus A by 80x. Okay. If you send it to this, like it will become power 1 by 3. So this will become 0.7. Okay. So 0.7 is equal to 1 minus 80 A by 80x. So this will be 0.3. 0.3 is equal to A by 80x. So A will be how much? A will be 24x. Okay. What's the question? What is the ratio of volume of vessel and steel mug? So volume of vessel is basically 100x. So volume of vessel is 100x. And mug is how much? Mug is 24x. Because mug is A only, na? So A is 24x. So on solving, we'll get 4 is 25, 6. So 25:6 is the answer to this question. Okay. A very good question this was. So I hope this is clear. And thank you so much.